Hey guys, so it is the day of the event and we are trying to offload, get everything out the car and bring it inside the venue so we could set up and get ready. It's about 10:30 right now. The event starts at 12. So my mom went to see if she could get a trolley or something so we could put the stuff in. It's getting real, guys. It's getting real. I'm excited. I've been to a lot of pop-up shops before, like for my mom to help her with her business, but this is the first time we're doing a pop-up shop for mini me. Oh, I'm in my top and just some jeans and some white sneaks so I could be comfortable. But let me go see if I could help my mom with the trolley. See you guys inside. Everyone's setting up their booths.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else.
This is my mom's booth. She did a really good job setting these items up. They're so beautiful. So she make and sell natural products for hair, face, skin, everything. Okay, and these are also available in the States. So if you're interested, let me know.
Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good.
So at this point, I'm just going around the room and checking out other companies, other vendors and what they have to offer, trying some products and getting more information on their items. Like pop-up shops are so important. You find companies, businesses that you didn't even know exist, and they're right in the same town, the same area as you. So I love it. I am definitely enjoying this.
It's something about the way you stare into my.
So I'm tasting this weight detox drink. Tastes good. Thank you. How much are those bottles?
$5. You got a 5 packets, $20.
$5 for a bottle.
You got a 5 packets, $20 for 5.
So it's 3 different flavors? 3 different flavors or 2?
They all different flavors.
Oh.
So you can get 5 different ones. You get 5 Yeah.
So one of this is for like one
If
day.
you buy in one, it's $5.
My hometown. So thank you guys and have a good day. Sorry for crying. Don't we all hope to make it to be 6 and 7 figure businesses one day?
Yes.
Oh, no, 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 stay right here.
6 figures.
So like you go right here, and try to figure out what's going on with that. If you whatever you purchase, you get a free book. I'm sure from Contour, Body Studios here from Miss Marissa. And if you do want to come and have a personal conversation with Miss Courtney, she's to the left of her. So feel free now if you have a free moment and you want to get some information or just to pick a brain or two, feel free to do so. All right?
The event was really good. I enjoyed the experience and the exposure. Next time I would like it to be more advertised, more promotion for the event. I did make a few sales, so I'm grateful for that. Thanks for coming along with me and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.